Lowen, yes, hello. Today, make a pepper sauce, onion.
Woo! Onion. Good onion is a heavy onion.
So, yes. Also, garlic. Put away the shit. It's easy. Oil. Bow. There we go. They skipped. Ah, there we go. There it is. Big, nice skip. And look, it's pretty onion.
6 pound onion.
Almost.
Onion.
Very good. I give grind many pepper. Skip. This pepper sauce, you need many pepper. I guess. And then yes, smelling very nice. The spices you want. And bam, turn around. I think whisker thing, flat bulb thing, fuck that. 1 beef stock cube for half a liter, and then half the water. You're supposed to use the water. Just use less water. It's fine. It works. And I had maybe not taste the yes. And then don't forget the soy onions.
Onion with the onion is.
And then grab meat, grab the water. Yes, but not much. Beef stock cube. I need to buy more. Here you go. Not the paper. Very good. Spices. I use sprinkle MSG. It won't hurt you. It's stronger, better. Aromat, whatever thing. Very good. Put away. I didn't cut that part out. I garlic powder, little bit, just a little bit, But everyone likes Chef John. It's a small hole, not a big hole. Stir. The nice Worcestershire sauce. The big, lots of heavy cream. Don't use any of that skim shit. That's good. Wait, make it look nicer. But apparently that was racist. So then I need a piss. Yeah, wash your hands, you know, soap, inside, outside hand, between fingers and around the thumb, get your nails, very good, very cool, flush, and then you need to dry off of, you know, hands, that's disgusting. I know a guy who does that, that's really weird. And then we can look at that idiot. Alright, it's later. It's not as thick as we want it. I don't know what I'm just doing standing here looking at it, but it's fine. You know, don't have very milky potatoes boiling, so I'm turning that up. And then even later now, nice and thick. I have a spoon to test. Normally you say, which I shall, but I could have cut out that video. Thank you, me. That's pretty good. Any thicker than that, and you'll just fucking porridge. You don't want that. Milk. I ate it, and now we put the spoon away in the thing. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bird.